Samsung Galaxy S8 smartphone was launched in March 2017. The phone comes with a 5.80-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2960 pixels at a PPI of 570 pixels per inch. Samsung Galaxy S8 price in India starts from Rs. 53,900. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Samsung Exynos 8895 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S8 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy S8 runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 148.90 by 68.10 by 8.00 height x width x thickness, and weigh 155.00 grams. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is a single SIM, GSM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.